Hello dear fans. How to measure water hardness. Water is called hard if it contains a large amount of magnesium and calcium salts. Such water in everyday life is usually very disliked due to the fact that it forms a layer of scale on teapots and pots and does not allow the soap to foam. Necessary. Methodical publication on analytical chemistry. Instructions. Step 1. There are two types of water hardness: carbonate, temporary, and non-carbonate, permanent. The first is removed by boiling, about an hour. After that, a white precipitate, calcium carbonate, and carbon dioxide are formed. The second is more difficult to eliminate, either chemically or by distillation. The total water hardness is determined by the sum of the permanent and temporary hardness. In chemistry, hardness is expressed as the sum of milliequivalents of calcium and magnesium ions in 1 liter of water. 1 milliequivalent of hardness is equal to 20.04 milligrams of calcium ions or 12.16 milligrams of magnesium ions in 1 liter of water. Step 2. One way to measure hardness is titration. To carry it out, it is necessary to place in 2 conical flasks 100 milliliters of test water, 5 milliliters of buffer solution, 1 milliliter of sodium sulfide and 5 to 6 drops of the black ET00 chromogen indicator. It is necessary to use measuring pipettes. After mixing, the solutions are pink. Step 3. The resulting mixture is then titrated with Trilyn-B using a microburette. Trilyn-B is added carefully, drop by drop, until a blue color is obtained. Further, it is noted how many ml of Trilyn-B went to titration with an accuracy of hundredths. 2 samples are titrated for the purity of the experiment. Step 4. The next step is the average volume, using the simple formula VAV equals V1 plus V2/2, where V1 is the volume of Trilyn-B, which went to titrate the solution in the first flask, ml, V2 is the volume of Trilyn-B, which went to titrate the solution in the second flask. And the last thing that needs to be done in this method is to calculate the hardness according to the formula W equals VAV*N*1000/V, where VAV is the average volume of Trilyn-B used for titration in 2 flasks, ml, calculated using the above formula, and normal concentration of Trilyn-B, 1000 recalculation per 1 liter of water, V volume of test water, milliliter. If it is necessary to express the stiffness in degrees, then the resulting number should be multiplied by a factor of 2.8. Step 5. With a hardness of up to 4 milliequivalent/L, water is considered soft, from 4 to 8 milliequivalent/L of medium hardness, from 8 to 12 mgq/L of hard, and over 12 milliequivalent/L of particularly hard. Of course, in a modern laboratory, water hardness can be measured not only by titration, but also by various devices, for example, a conductometer and electronic devices. If it is possible to work on such equipment, then it is easier, more efficient and more accurate. But the titration method is also quite accurate and simple. Thanks for watching.